Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving you the quick and dirty on using the ESP8266 and this SSD1306 OLED display together. Just a real quick and dirty way to get your weather station app going in the least amount that you'll need. So first thing is you're going to want to get the COM driver. So take a look on the back of your board and it'll say there what driver you need. So this one's CH340G, and I'll link this one here in the description for that. The next thing you're going to want to do is add the board files for the ESP8266 in the Arduino sketch. So go over into your Arduino sketch and go to File, Preferences, and then Additional Boards. This link will also be in the description, or this link or this text here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to install some libraries that the code uses. The OLED library for SSD1306, and then the Json library. So just go to the sketch, include libraries, manage. And then search SSD1306. And I'm using this one here, Adafruit SSD1306. And then for the JSON library, I searched this one here. Arduino JSON, and I'm using one of the later versions here of it, 6.19.3. Okay, so then after you get those libraries, you want to select the board. So that's one things that I missed. I think it was on the Arduino that I used last time. So go to Tool, select Board, and then go down to Other Boards. This is normally says Other Boards or something like that, and then find Node MCU. There's two different versions here, and there may be more. For me, this is the one that worked, Node MCU 1.0. Okay, so wiring the board. There's a lot of different websites that show this. This is the clearest one for me, and also it's the simpler SCL, SDA, ground, and VCC version that I have. So what I'm just doing is using the leads here just to go from SDA and SCL. It says it printed there on the top of the board. It's hard to focus in here, but says it there on the top. And then on your ESP module, it says 3 volts, and then it says ground here. So those are those two. And then in the in the drawing here, SCL will go to D4, SDA will go to D3. Okay, so then you want to be able to get weather data from an API. So OpenWeatherMap, they provide that free. So I'll link these in the description. You go here, you sign up for that. It's free. You sign up here. And then once you do that, make sure you confirm your email. The key that they give you didn't work for me before confirming my email. So yeah, sign up for that here at this account, for this address, and then get your key to use here. Once you paste that link, you'll see a key there that you can use for the API call. Okay, so let's look at the code. So this is setting up the SSD1306, and that is the display address, the register for that. D3 is SDA, D4 is SDC. This is the least amount of code that you need to get weather data from the API and then display it to the screen. So in the setup, you have your typical COM port, baud rate, put your Wi-Fi SSID here and your password here for your Wi-Fi. Then in the main loop, this is the API call to OpenWeatherMap. And so I have my city here in Dallas and the country, USA, and you'll put the key that it generates for you here. You paste that there at the end. And so this is also using the Json Parser. So it takes the response, parses it with JSON, parses that response, and then it puts it into doc. And then you can look at the different parts of the response. So I just really want temperature, and I want humidity. So I'm putting those two in there. Clears the screen, and then draws the screen with those two variables. And that's all you should need. So just use a regular micro USB. Let it connect. And you'll have some temperature and humidity there printed out.